Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a weekly laundry routine. It's gonna be wash, fold, repeat. All right guys, so today I am doing my towels. I'm gonna show you what I got going on right now. I got those towels right there that I need to get done. I also have this basket full of clothes, as well as this other basket right there with those blankets and so forth that I need to get done as well. Alright guys, I'm getting my OxiClean. I've been loving OxiClean of late. It does a really good job. Really makes a big difference. And you know, I love scented beads. So, using my scented beads. Smells so good. Ugh, I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. And yeah, I mean, who do you know get excited about laundry and making the laundry smells good and into scents and stuff? Am I weird? I don't care if I'm weird. I'm me. Oh well. I love it. I love scents. I love fragrance. I love things smelling good and fresh. So it's not weird. I think that's how it's supposed to be. So I put it in my detergent. Bam. And then I'm gonna put my towels in. Load it. Okay, so towels I'm doing cool, and I'm doing one rinse, and my spin cycle I'm gonna do high. So I want to take out a lot of water. I'm gonna do heavy. So while that load is going, I have these dish towels and top holders that I need to wash. So I'm going to use my top holder because it's not a lot. Alright guys, so while those loads actually is going, I do have two loads right here on the bed that was done from before, and I need to put them away. So I like to watch one of my favorite programs on TV while I do so, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So now I'm going to be folding and putting away the load that I have in the bed. So I'm still working on folding in the bedroom. halfway done, but the bottom load has finished washing, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in the dryer real quick. Alright, so let me make this level. I'm contemplating, should I use dryer sheets or dryer balls? Because I got both. I'm gonna go ahead and use the dryer balls. So the next load that I'm going to work on is this that's on the ground that was in the small basket. So this is where I'm at. I have everything on hangers and stuff that's going to go in the drawer is folded up. These are going to go in the closet. I need to put these on hangers because these are actually going in the closet as well. And then I'll be done with this set. All right guys, so here it is. The load is completely put away. So guys, because I do these videos for motivation and inspiration, I want to share a tip with you guys. It's simple for me how I do my laundry routine: wash, fold, repeat. Laundry never ends. If your laundry is ending and you don't have laundry to do, that means that your laundry is piling up, and that's not good. Or you're just not wearing any clothes, or I don't know what else it could be, but more than likely, logically, your laundry is piling up, and that's always a nightmare. So to take the stress out of laundry day, And any household chores that you have to do, it's a constant cycle. You got to keep on top of it. Get excited about what you're doing. That's self-motivation right there. That's how I motivate myself in life. I get excited about what it is that I am doing. I love it, and I get it done. Even if I don't want to do it, I have to, you know, get over that hump by getting excited. Okay, let's get it done. And yeah, that's my tip for you guys today. I hope this was motivational and inspirational. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.